He said, I love you dearly, daughter. And I know I'm not.
My name is Sondra Woodruff. I am a senior graduating this May from the School of General Studies. I was on tour with the Backstreet Boys. I played with Taylor Swift. I played with LL Cool J. Had some great experiences.
After all these years, this is all that I can say.
So my decision to come to Columbia, the School of General Studies, was really based on one line said that the School of General Studies is a place for non-traditional students to be integrated into a traditional setting. And for me, that was the most powerful part. And I wanted to always complete my education. So once I finally got into Columbia and seeing how you can just kind of pick apart music, the kind of access you have to people who are thinking outside of the box of music, the fact that I now mix neuroscience with music and it's still applicable in pop music. And that's the type of relationship that I found by being at Columbia, that it doesn't just have to be I can play an instrument, but I can use it in so many different ways in life. The program for the Daughters of Harlem, Working in Sound, is a program where we work with young women of color, and we bring them to Columbia's campus and teach them how to create music or play an instrument, and the end product after the 8 hours is for them to have a finished song or production or sound that they can take with them. So after I graduate from Columbia, I am moving back home to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to open a music facility with my two really good friends. And the main thing is it's going to be a place where you can kind of incubate your band or your group, or you can kind of take your music career more seriously. But it's going to be designed in a way that empowers everyone who walks in to feel like what they have to offer matters. There's a direct correlation to the effects that I saw in the program for Daughters of Harlem, just the way that their faces lit up and they felt like, okay, I do have a voice in this space. And that's the same feeling that I want to create in Limelight with my two friends is, you know, I do have a voice in this space.
Yes, Rachel.